Okay, I'm going to show you how to make carrot cakes this morning. So I've got 75 grams of margarine in a bowl that goes in a microwave. You're going to put it in the microwave until it's melted. We're not going to cook it, just until it's melted. You need a carrot, obviously, to make carrot cakes. So we're going to peel the carrot and then we're going to grate it. But you must grate it on the large holes of the grater, but that way. We don't want to grate it that way and have long pieces of carrot. So you have to do it at right angles to the carrot, so we're getting short bits of carrot. Be careful of your fingers when you get near to the grater. And grate it right down to the end. To the end of your carrot. Just be very careful with your knuckles and your fingers. If you want to use every bit of the carrot, you can cut the edge like that, but you don't have to. You could eat that end bit. Once you've grated that, we're going to add it to the melted margarine. So all that carrot into the melted margarine. It doesn't look an attractive batter mix, this, for a cake, but believe me, it's really nice once it's done. So we stir that in. So we're getting the melted margarine coating the carrot. The next thing, to give it extra sweetness and structure, you need 100 grams of sugar. Again, stir that in. Then you need to break your egg into it, and the egg can go straight in. Stir it in. So each stage that you put something in, you're going to stir it into the mixture and stir it in well. And you've got 100 grams of self-raising flour and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You could put other spices in if you wanted to, and you don't have to put as much cinnamon in if you don't particularly like cinnamon. Now, if you're going to make ordinary carrot cakes, that you could stop at that. You can add extra ingredients, however. So I'm going to put some dried fruit in mine because I think that tastes nice with the carrot. If you're not allergic to nuts, you could put some chopped nuts in at this stage as well. So I've got about a handful of dried fruit. So this is mixed dried fruit, sultanates and raisins. You could put currants in. But a dried fruit's good because it tends to soak up and swell up the fruit with all the moisture that's in this batter. Right, the next part is probably the hardest part to do. Okay, so I've put my paper bun cases into my bun tin. If they are normal size bun cases, the smaller ones, it makes 12. If they are larger muffin tins, it won't make as many because you'll need more mixture. So you get 1 spoonful and put a tablespoon underneath your spoon and place it then into your bun case. This way we make sure we've got some of all the ingredients in each of the bun cases. So a teaspoonful, and try and get it straight into your bun case. Right, so you put mixture into all your bun cases. Then you need to, using a spatula if you've got one, scrape your mixture. Now you'll notice that there's only batter left. There's not much of the extra ingredients. This is why we put a bit into each bun case, because if we waited to the end to fill it, the last carrot cake would only have mixture in and none of the extra ingredients. So you can use this to top up the buns that probably haven't got quite as much mixture in as the others, so you're not wasting any mixture. So once you've filled your bun cases, make sure you've got no bits of mixture on your bun tin because it'll burn. They need to go into an oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, 200 degrees, gas mark 6.